What up, YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl fresheebabii, and for today's video we're gonna do food combos. So I reached out to y'all and asked y'all what were some of y'all favorite food combos, and I got a few. So let me put this disclaimer out there. I don't eat everything, but I'm definitely willing to try a few things and see if I like it. Maybe I don't know, maybe I'll get something new that I like, who knows. But either way, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that post notification bell to be notified when my next video drops. But otherwise, let's get into this. All right, so let's get into this. I got 5 combos that I'm gonna try, and I'm gonna tell you what it is. I'm gonna tell you what I have on the table, and then I'll just get into like the combos. So I have water, just in case something is empty, because I don't got time. I got Rice Krispie treats, Doritos, 2 different kind of Doritos, pickles, almond milk, cantaloupe, seasoned salt, and last but not least, Chips Ahoy. So first, let me just say that I don't eat sweets. So anything that I eat today is probably gonna be the bare minimum because I don't eat sweets. Y'all already know why I explained that, so I'm not gonna explain it again, but I don't eat sweets. So I guess the first thing I'm gonna try is, I have peanut butter, banana, and bread. And then I need to grab my honey too. But I'll do that one last, I guess. So I'm gonna get into this almond milk and Chips Ahoy cookies. First of all, I don't like milk, so let me just be clear about that. I do use it in my smoothies, but I can't really taste it like that, so that's one thing. But me just drinking it like regular, I'm really not into that. So let's do that first so I can get that out of the way. And then, yeah. Smell good though. Alright, I ain't gonna do that much. And that says 50 calories, so I really don't want to add that much.
Boy, if you don't get...
So the thing was to have almond milk and crush up Chips Ahoy cookies or Oreos or whatever, you know, into it. So I'm just gonna break it up because I'm ghetto and I don't care. I don't know how many cookies I'm supposed to put in here, but I'll put 2. I should put 3 because I should mask the milk or whatever. All right. It's kind of like eating cereal, but it ain't soft. I like my cereal soft, but when I used to eat cereal, I don't eat it no more. Let me just do one more. All right. Ugh. I'm gonna smell it. So let me tell y'all, my son is in the hallway staring at me because he want to see me do this video so bad. So bad. It's killing him. He want to see me do it. But anyway, so if y'all see me looking that way, I'm looking at him. Alright, let me taste this. I think I got too much milk in here. I don't like it. Let me taste one more time. It ain't that bad. It ain't that bad. It's kind of lit. I ain't gonna lie. That don't smack. That don't smack.
Stop it. Get some help.
All right. I'm gonna be sick. All right. So then I was told to try Cool Ranch Doritos and Rice Krispie treats. That's a sweet and salty vibe. I like that. That's a sweet and salty vibe. Sweet and salty vibe. And I'm like watching TV low key. Because the other one got something on TV that I like. So it said together, so I'm just gonna take a piece of this. These combos is crazy. I don't know how some of y'all stomachs be lasting through this, but I guess, you know, everything ain't for everybody, but here we go. Can y'all see that? All right, here we go. That no, okay. That was kind of good. Let me do it again. It's a sweet and salty vibe. I think only girls will really know about the sweet and salty vibe. He there again, y'all. Good looking. You want to taste it? Cause you staring. Huh? Is it killing you? You just gotta know, don't you? Sure. Yeah, that don't smack. That don't smack. I like that. Come out. Cause Jaden gonna die. It's about to kill him. All right. That joint hit. This and this joint. That was good. All right. I'm gonna be sick. All right. Let's do, so somebody said spicy nacho Doritos and pickles. First of all, let me just say, I love pickles. So anything with pickles, I don't care. Well, mine is one thing that I'm not gonna try that somebody asked me to, which was pickles and a mayonnaise sandwich.
Oh, hell no!
Not gonna happen because I don't eat mayo. I don't even play with it. But I am gonna try this. I get excited when the snacks. Keep in mind I haven't had snacks since September of 2020. No snacks, no sweets, no juice, no nothing. So this little video right here that I'm making is actually pretty exciting. So first, I'm about to bite this pickle before I even do anything. I love pickles, I swear. All right. Now they didn't specify if I'm supposed to eat these together like this or I'm just supposed to eat the chip and eat the pickle. So I'm just gonna put them together and eat it this way and let y'all know. Let me do another one. Maybe not this chip. Maybe I wouldn't do it with this chip. The pickle is not the problem, it's the chip. All right. Lip ring. So I was supposed to drop my reset video and I didn't drop it, but I will drop that video before the weekend is out, because your girl do be going to the gym. Don't get it twisted. I will burn these snacks off. Let me try that with a Cool Ranch Dorito, because I actually love Cool Ranch Doritos. And this is my one moment I can eat snacks, so I'm gonna enjoy it. All right. Bomb. Bomb, bomb, bomb. Okay? Okay. Whoa, pickle. All right. Let's move on, because I got some things to do. These chips is mad. They ain't no, sorry. All right, so got my honey, my peanut butter, which if the dog come, I open this, he about to be on my neck. My banana. And I'm about to cut real fast. Now, they didn't specify if this bread is supposed to be toasted, so my bread is not toasted. And let me just put this disclaimer out there. So, I forgot to go buy some regular bread, y'all. So, I gotta show y'all what bread I'm about to use. This is a no judgment zone.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Hamburger bun bread, y'all. I know it's ghetto, but what the hell? Who cares? What you gonna do? Fight me? All right. It's going in the trash after this. There's only 2 pieces. They ain't gonna miss it. So I'm gonna use who used the butt end? I'm gonna use the other end. I ain't gonna use the butt end of the bread. But this bread is mass off, so we ain't even tripping. And I'm gonna eat it. Eat it. Up. Let's see. Ugh, I do not like peanut butter. I don't like peanut butter. I don't like it. It don't go in my smoothies. I don't eat it as protein. I don't like it. Peanut butter shakes, peanut butter bananas, freaking disgusting. I'm about to stop. This is too much already. Because first of all, who eats a peanut butter banana bread with honey on some damn hamburger bun bread? Y'all. Ugh. So I'm gonna just put some banana slices up here. banana slices. Now I love bananas. That's the one thing. I go. And I love honey. All right, that's enough. I don't want to eat this one. I need a napkin. Sure. Thank you. I don't know about this one. Let us pray. Up. Cut. Up. Can't do it. Sorry, couldn't complete that one. Couldn't do it. That is freaking nasty. Just the taste of the thick bread and the honey and the peanut butter and the banana. It just I couldn't even attempt to finish it. I just couldn't. But at the end of the day, these are some crazy combos. Some of them were good. Some of them were flops. You may have to switch a few items. My dog's over here sniffing. You smell that peanut butter. May have to switch a few items, but all in all, it was a pretty good try. Thank you guys so much for watching me try these crazy combos. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe, hit that post notification bell to be notified of my next video. And I'm out, y'all.